Thank you so much. You're warmly welcome to Speak English Language with Confidence tutorials by Emmanuel Bodu. Today, we are going to look at kinds of sentences. So by the end of today's tutorial, you will be able to explain what a sentence is. You will also be able to identify and explain with examples the four kinds of sentences. Let's quickly look at our introduction. Welcome to today's tutorial on sentence structure, a fundamental aspect of effective communication. The way we structure our sentences plays a crucial role in conveying meaning and engaging our audience. Whether you are writing an essay, giving a speech, or simply chatting with friends, understanding the four types of sentences is essential to express yourself clearly and effectively. Now, let's dive into the world of sentences and explore the four main types: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Each type serves a unique purpose, allowing us to communicate with precision and convey a range of emotion. Before we look at the types or the kinds of sentences, let's quickly look at what a sentence is. When you talk of a sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. We must note that all sentences must start with a capital letter. And do you know that you have been speaking in sentences since you were a baby? We use them to ask, tell, explain, command, request, astonish, amuse, share, among others. The more successfully you use sentences, the more successfully you communicate what you want. So let's quickly look at the four kinds of sentences. Declarative sentences. Declarative sentences. Declarative sentences are the foundation of informative communication. They make statements or express facts. When you want to provide information or share your thoughts, you will use declarative sentences. For example, the sun rises in the east. Elephants are the largest land animals. She graduated with honors. The city is known for its vibrant culture. Now, these are some of the examples of declarative sentences. All what these sentences mean is that they provide information or share our thoughts on something. So let's look at the next kind of sentences. Interrogative sentences. Have you ever wondered how to ask questions effectively? That is where interrogative sentences come into play. These sentences are designed to seek information or clarification. Asking questions and prompting discussions become natural with interrogative sentences. For instance, what time is the meeting? Why did you choose this career path? Have you ever traveled abroad? Did you finish your homework? All these questions are seeking answers or are seeking information or clarification. That is interrogative sentences. So anytime that you want to ask question, have it in mind that it is interrogative sentences you are going to use. Now let's look at the next kind of sentences. Imperative sentences. When you need to give commands, make requests, or offer suggestions, imperative sentences come in handy. They are direct and instructive. Picture scenarios like asking someone to pass the salt or giving directions. Please pass me the salt. is a classic example of an imperative sentence. A polite request in the form of an imperative sentence. Please pass me the salt. Close the door behind you. This is an imperative sentence. Why? Because it is giving commands. Close the door behind you. It is a command. So it is an imperative sentence. Let's look at the next example. Study for your exams diligently. Study for your exam diligently. Now this is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence offering guidance or advice. Study for your exams diligently. Now let's look at the last example. Don't forget to submit your assignment on time. Don't forget to submit your assignment on time. An imperative sentence emphasizing the importance of meeting a deadline. Don't forget to submit your assignment on time. So all what I'm trying to convey to you is that anytime you want to make or give commands or make requests or offer suggestions, we use imperative sentence. Now let's look at the next kind of sentences. Exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express strong emotions or excitement. They add a touch of enthusiasm to your communication. Imagine witnessing a breathtaking sunset and exclaiming, "What a beautiful sunset!" Exclamatory sentences help convey heightening feelings and add a dynamic element to your expression. For example, "What a beautiful sunset!" Expressing excitement and admiration. This exclamatory sentence reacts to a beautiful sight. What a beautiful sunset! Example 2. Congratulations on your promotion. Congratulations on your promotion. Celebratory in nature, this exclamatory sentence conveys congratulations on your promotion. Example 3. Oh no, I forgot my keys. Oh no, I forgot my keys. Demonstrating a surprise or realization. This exclamatory sentence expresses a moment of forgetfulness. Oh no, I forgot my keys. Example 4. What a delicious meal this is. An exclamatory sentence conveying appreciation for a tasty meal. What a delicious meal this is. So, exclamatory sentence aim at expressing strong emotions or excitement. So they add touch of enthusiasm to our communication. So if you want our communication to be full of excitement or to be full of emotions, we need exclamatory sentences. So in conclusion, understanding these 4 kinds of sentences and incorporating them into your writing and speech will elevate your ability to communicate effectively in various contexts. So let's explore each type in detail and discover how to use them to enhance your communications skills. If you know this tutorial is of use or of benefit to you, please don't forget to click and subscribe to my channel for more information on communication skills. Thank you. I am Emmanuel Yaobodu.